Do you want to start making money in crypto but don't know exactly where to start from or how to make money in crypto? In this video, I will show you 7 different ways to make money in crypto and how you can get started on this call. So by the end of this call, you know exactly the many ways, the 7 different ways to make money in crypto and the one that suits you and how you can get started right on this video. Let's get there. There are a lot of opportunities to make money in this industry. Okay, for instance, we have buy and hold, we have futures trading, we have spot trading, we have affiliate marketing, we have IDO and pre-sale, we have others, airdrop, and the rest of them. Yeah, but my focus in this video is to take each and every one of them and explain it in such a way that you understand and you won't be confused and you will know which one is best for you. All right, so the first one is buy and hold or investing. Buy and hold or invest is simply mean you buy coins or you buy crypto and you leave it for some time, you leave it for some years, you leave it for some many months. Okay, it's usually years. You leave it for some years, and at the end of the year, at the end of that period, you sell the crypto that you have bought and make huge profit. Now, what usually happen is this: people that invest in crypto, they do it with what we call Bitcoin halving. So Bitcoin halving is a 4-year period where the price of Bitcoin increase because the reward given to miners is reduced by half. What it simply means that Bitcoin halving is an event where the supply of Bitcoin is reduced by half. Every 4 years, the price of the supply of Bitcoin is reduced by 50%, which is half. So when that happens, so that means the supply of Bitcoin has been reduced. Okay, and when the supply of an asset that has very limited supply is reduced, it means if the demand is increased, it means the price will go up. Now, historically speaking, Bitcoin rose from $10,000 in 2023, 2022. Bitcoin grew from $10,000 to $69,000 after the halving. So now, people that invest in crypto, they use the 4-year period as a benchmark for their investment, when to start investing and when to exit, when to take profit from their investment. So what I'm saying is you invest, you buy good assets like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Solana, and Layer 1 projects. You buy those very good assets and you hold it. Okay, you hold those assets till another halving. Then after the halving, when the price of Bitcoin start rising, you sell and take your profit. This is very important. Now, one thing that you should understand is time in the market beats time in the market. So investing, buying and holding means you are spending time in the market. Now, one of the ways to do it, and it's a very good example of investing in crypto is, for instance, when Solana came down, maybe during a bear market where nothing people the price of coins are not going up, everything is like down or in consolidation, like the prices are not going up, no, there's no fluctuation as such. So what you do is you look for good asset like Solana. You can buy $1,000 worth of Solana, keep it for till after the halving. When you keep it till after the halving, once the halving has happened, then you watch out for the price of Bitcoin. As the price of Bitcoin reach new all-time high, sell part. You may decide to sell 75% of your of the holdings of the crypto that you are holding. Sell 75%, then take out as the price of that asset increases, take out your fund, sell into the market and make and maximize your profit. That is simply how to buy and hold crypto. Okay, so the next is crypto services. Crypto services, providing crypto services. Now, if you are finding this content helpful and very educative, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's get into the second way to make money in crypto, providing crypto services. Now, like I told you, crypto is an industry, and in every industry, there are a lot of services. Okay, now being that crypto is a digital technology, you may decide to be a developer, a blockchain developer, or a smart contract developer. I will explain it to you. If you are a blockchain developer, that means you are a core developer. You are building product like layer one. You are an engineer that build product like layer one. Project like Solana, Ethereum. You are a developer that has the skill to develop project like that. Okay, so then also if you want to be a smart contract developer, that means you are a developer that builds smart contracts, okay, like all the applications on different blockchain ecosystem, on different layers. Okay, you have the ability to build it. Now, to get started, you may consider learning Solidity programming language, learn Python and other programming languages, and get started. Then there are other services that you can provide. You can provide marketing services. So you can learn digital marketing and learn how to use it to provide services for crypto companies. Okay, and this is amazing. This is amazing. Then you can also decide to be a community manager. You manage different communities for different projects, and another service that you can provide, for crypto companies is product design. So you may decide to design product, okay, for crypto project or for crypto companies, and once you are known, what you need is to position yourself. By positioning yourself, that means you have to brand yourself as a Web3 professional, as a Web3 and crypto professional. And without branding, when you brand yourself and you position yourself, like the kind of content you put out there, there are content that talk about your skill set as it relates to Web3 and crypto. In no distant time, you will be the go-to person when it comes to that aspect of service. So consider learning a skill today, skill that will help you to provide services in the crypto industry today. All right, the next is futures trading. You want to make money in Web3 and in crypto, and one of the ways is futures trading. What is futures trading and why I think it's important? Futures trading is you trading crypto contracts. So they are contracts, they are, just like, we have the traditional industry, the stock market where you can trade futures. So futures is simply saying you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy, you are betting on the price of Bitcoin. You are saying you are betting that the price of Bitcoin will go up or the price of Bitcoin will come down. And you are signing agreement with that platform. Okay. You are signing the agreement that when the price of Bitcoin goes up or when it increases, I will make profit. On the other hand, when the price go down, I will make profit. So that means if you are buying a contract that says the price of Bitcoin will go up and it eventually goes up, then you make a profit. On the other hand, if you are signing a contract that the price of Bitcoin will go down and it eventually goes up, you make a loss. Another very good thing about futures trading is that it gives you leverage. Leverage means you have the opportunity to borrow more to trade, but the good side is that it amplifies your profit making potential or ability, and it also, the downside is that it amplifies your loss making potential too. So before trading futures, crypto futures, it is important that you learn, have a strategy that works, know how to use the indicator, know how to manage risk, as this will help you to avoid huge loss. All right, so the next way to make money in crypto or in Web3 is spot trading. Spot trading, trading crypto on spot. What does it mean? When you are trading crypto on spot, what it means is that you are buying the actual cryptocurrency. This is not contract now, like futures. It's not like that. What this simply means is that, okay, future spot trading means you are buying crypto. You buy crypto when the price is low, and you sell when the price has risen or when the price is high. You buy low and sell high. That is the simple or the simplest meaning of spot trading. Yeah, but this is how it works. Now, let's say you buy $1,000 worth of Solana, okay, and you buy it when the price of Solana is low, and let's say when the price of Solana is $100, you buy $1,000 worth of Solana, and now you wait for that Solana to get to 130 and you sell. So that is spot. That is what spot trading is all about. You buy when an opportunity presents itself, and you sell when an opportunity presents itself to sell. That is what spot trading is about. Yeah, but this is what you need to understand. Spot trading is when you are doing spot trading, you are buying the actual asset. Okay, in spot trading, when you buy soul, you can move that soul. That soul is the actual asset. You own that asset. You may decide to move that soul from the exchange you buy it from. You may decide to move it to a private wallet. You may decide to move it to a hardware wallet because you are buying the actual asset. Or like futures, when you're trading futures, it is not the actual asset, you are trading contract. So it is important that you understand the differences between the two. Yeah, but how can you succeed in spot trading? You succeed in spot trading by, targeting events. For instance, when Russia and Ukraine, when the war broke between Russia and Ukraine, when the war started, there was a decline in the price of crypto asset across board. So spot traders buy assets, good assets at low prices, and in few months or in few weeks, the price went back to the price it was before the war started, and they made good money. So look at our event, sensitive event that could impact the market significantly and leverage on those opportunities. All right. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. So the next way to make money from crypto and Web3 is pre-sale and IDO. Pre-sale simply means, or IDO simply means the project, like the crypto project that is building and they are about launching, but they are giving investors early access. They are giving investor early access to invest into the project, and when they launch, those investors can make very massive profit, life transforming profit. So what this simply means is this: before a crypto project launch, let's say a group crypto project is about to launch, and before they launch, they need money, they need finance for operations. So they may decide to sell, a percent to a private investor. Now, this private investor buy the token, buy it at a very cheap price. Now, when they eventually launch, this investor make huge profit. This is one of the ways to trade crypto. Per se, an IDO is one of the ways to make good money from crypto. So always look for it. Now, one of the examples of per se that I witnessed is called Inspect. There was a project called Inspect. That project was building an application on X. So what happened is that the team or the project, did pre-sale. Okay, people invested, and at the end of the day, when they launched, the investors made 10x, over 10x of their money. So that means if you invest $1,000, you make $10,000. If you invest $1,000, you make $100,000. It is so impressive. So look at this and know where to start from. So the next is airdrop. The next way to make money from Web3 and crypto is airdrop. What is airdrop? Airdrop simply means, you crypto project or crypto companies reward you, okay, in exchange for participating in their marketing campaigns. Most times crypto companies or crypto projects have marketing campaigns for their product or project to be visible. They need marketing. Okay, and this marketing, the best way to do it in the crypto industry is the users of those platforms, of that particular application or software or the app, is the user, using them and also referring others to use them. This is very, very profound. So we have two forms of airdrop. We have airdrop that are paid, and we have some airdrop that are not paid. Paid airdrop are airdrop that you need money in order for you to participate in the airdrop or in the marketing campaign. And the way it works is, most of the applications or most of the crypto projects, you need money. You need to stake on those platforms, or you need to borrow money. You need to lend, and you need to borrow. So you just need to use the different features in the application. Then as your points accumulate, so your reward grows. That's important. Then also another one, like the Solana phone, it's an airdrop. You buy Solana phone and you get airdrop for doing that. Then the unpaid one. Now an example of a paid airdrop is Jupe airdrop. You need money. You need to use Jupe platform before you can qualify for their airdrop. Okay, for unpaid airdrop, an unpaid airdrop is an airdrop, where everybody, what their focus is the number of people that use their product. So what you simply need to do is to go there and perform some task, log in and perform some task. That is what you need. Connect your wallet, perform some task. Now, a very good example is Notcoin. Notcoin launched a marketing campaign, and what they were asking users to do is to perform simple tasks, and users perform the simple task, their points accumulate, and they got rewarded for doing that. And most people made $100, $200, $500, as the case may be. So this is profound. So airdrop is one of the ways to make good money. I know of a guy that made $800,000 from Jupe airdrop. So the next way to make money in crypto or Web3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means you promoting other crypto products like exchanges or the app, decentralized applications. Now, in exchange, you are paid for doing that. Now, there are many exchanges that have affiliate marketing partnership. They have affiliate partnership. So what you do is to register with these companies like Binance, BYBIT, okay, Coinbase, and many other crypto exchanges. Which so these exchanges have affiliate partnership. Go register, get the link, and share it with your community. But to succeed in this, you need to build a community. You need to be someone that creates content, someone that have influence. Then, as you do that, you should be able to recommend product, good product. These are not bad product anyways. Make sure it's not bad product. Recommend good products to your community, and your community get to use those products, and in exchange you are paid commission for doing that referral, or recommending your friends, recommending your family, or recommending your community to use the product. Now, this is what you need to know. These are the different ways that you make money in crypto and in Web3. So I want to know in the comment section below, which one are you ready to start with? Okay, now if you want to trade futures and spot, I have a course. Okay, and this course is called Two Trade Profitable Trading. Two Trade Profitable Trading. Two Trade Profitable Trading is a course that help people to make money from the crypto industry through spot and futures trading. Now, it helps you to maximize, especially with the current market. You can still make money based on the system that I taught in that course. So check the description section. You'll get the link to buy the course. All right. So what have you learned in this video? Drop it in the comment section.